Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki kubor bam tagasngi. Ka nongtlo mathan ban Marmain Developmental Forum hne kasngi kalalet ban penken mau biang ye usembut Menteri Rangbah ke jela ba Preston Tensong halor ke jingdawa ban Thaw ye ka Umden CNR di belang. Ya gani ke jing ye kendu lalam kemadu MLE kenong po constituency ba Meral Bons im ringkat ba Arnold Singti chairman ke nongtlo mathan Marmain Development Forum ulingdo karaj mathan. Ki longsan na karaj Marmain bat raj nong tlu lembat ki Rangbah snong na ki jela snong bapher hapo ki te ki raj. Ha ka jing ekran bat Deputy Chief Minister o MLA ba Meral Bon ula pentip ba ke sorkar Lyngba uba Preston Tensong kladap betha ya ke Office Deputy Commissioner DC Ribhoi District bakan examen bat shimkya ya ke jingdawa ban Thaw ya ke Umden blong bat bakan penbiang ru ya ke kaipot ke babnia syak ke sorkar jela halor gani kaman.
Privileged to meet the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Shri Preston Tensong, to endorse about the demand that has been pending with the government with regards to the creation of new Umden CNRD block to be carved out of the present block that is Umden CNRD block. And the delegation, including myself, which has been endorsed and participated by the Nongtlu Mathan Marmain Development Forum, as well as Sinjukki Rangbah of Three Rai, as well as the traditional head of Rai Nongtlu, Rai Mathan, Rai Marmain also. And the meeting was very fruitful, and the committee and the delegation felt deemed fit, and we find it very satisfactory the response of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, in which he has particularly endorsed the memorandum, the application to the Deputy Commissioner to expedite with the concerned BDO of Umden to have a thorough investigation, a thorough inspection about the site where the office will be held, as well as to have a thorough public hearing with various villages which will be included within the proposed Umden CNRD block. And we are very optimistic in this regard, and I hope with the unity of each and everyone from Umden area in particular, and these three Rai Nongtlu, Rai Mathan and Rai Marmain, and as well as the other villages which fall near Umden, we hope that this proposal, in which the positive response by the Deputy Chief Minister, it will be heard in due course of time. And I'm not wrong to say that the commitment that has been committed by the government in the past, in which it has delivered at the ground, the people have seen the work in reality, and I'm not wrong to say that this proposal also the government will hear, and with the strong endorsement by the Deputy Chief Minister, I hope in days to come we will see the light of the day that the creation of the proposed Umden CNRD block will happen in reality.